Lovely fans, when we may Edochie be free from the hands of Yul Edochie? When may Edochie go take free from the hands of this family? At this point, if you ask me, I go say the court is not enough to separate May Edochie and Yul Edochie. May Edochie need to go extreme spiritual on this. Because you can't fight people that are fighting you spiritual with physical battle. Is a waste of time. Because since these people has refused that May Edochie no go drink water put cup for ground, she have to go extreme spiritual on them. Let them break every yoke when they say they won't break. Especially that pastor when he tell May Edochie say, you need to break every spiritual yoke when he connects you with these people. If not, these people not go let you rest. And true, we dey see and say, these people, they no wan really let May Edochie rest. Because then they believe, say, May Edochie is still tied spiritually to them. She might be free physically, but spiritually, she is there. That is why I say May Edochie need to go the extreme spiritual to break everything when these people do on her behalf for her back against her. My people, make una come hear the one way grandpapa carry come o. Make una come hear wetin grandpapa talk. Hey, wonder shall never end. So, according to grandpapa, this message why I can't tell una so, grandpapa did not take it lightly. He don't send this message, go give me Edochie family. He don't send the message, go give me Edochie family. According to him, you see this Ajamasho. No be only yo eye dey. It be like say grandpapa eyes dey. And it look like grandpapa is fighting for the house to even go more to Juju Ekwensu than May Edochie. Because if not, hey, this story when I carry come, if not, why won't he just let May Edochie be? After all, now she did there with her children. Why can't they let her be? So, according to grandpapa first send message, go give me Edochie family. Before she send her own message, go give me Edochie. According to him, it is an alu for an Igbo man to be outside his own house while the wife is inside. It is a forbidden thing. Man no delivers for woman. Forget the court and everything. According to grandpapa, he said it is an abomination. How may Edochie go dey his house? Yul Edochie dey outside. Why? How is it possible? Grandpapa saying quiet. In the wait, whether May Edochie family, they go personally use their own mind. Whether they go personally call May Edochie in order. But what he saw is that they were celebrating her. Celebrating her return back home. Celebrating that she won over his son. Grandpapa said that will be stories for the God's soul. He said that one no go work. He said he has given them a long time for them to sit down and reason with their daughter. That it is a forbidden thing in the Igbo land for a man to walk out of his own house, carry a kaya, carry a load, carry a gbogbo away, carry come for a papa house, pack and leave house for woman and his son. And the worst part of it, not be say the man get another house, not be say he gets where he dey go. Grandpapa's pit say he fall down the wait for May Edochie family make them take action. He said the one way Pena pass, the house in Itenje. He said May Edochie could not even come to him, kneel down, give him the key and say, Papa, since everything done over, this is the key to Itenje house. I return it back. If you know, say no one put that for you, you want. Come and put it in his hand. He said, but May Edochie refuse. He said, May Edochie won't inherit house for our husband village. Where is it done? Grandpapa say for where? For Igbo land, for Igbo culture. They should tell him one place when this whole thing, when it dey happen to his son, where it for dey happen. Grandpapa say he fall down, they look them. He fall down. He was waiting for the family, the Aligwe family, to call their daughter in order. He said, but as they no wan call her in order, they clap hand for her. Say make he fall inside the pit when they won't dig for her. So he said, yes. He said they are going to dig the pit. He said, but the Aligwe family should remember. Say now they won't push me Edochie enemy enter this pit, since they cannot call her in order. Now Grandpapa tell they say, since they don't know the tradition, they don't know the culture, he has come to lecture them. He says, since me Edochie claimed that she suffered too much to build the house, she labored and she worked hard and she did everything to build a Jamashon. Grandpapa said, no problem. He said, there is no problem. He said, but that house must be sold. May Edochie must sell that house. May Edochie must sell Aja Mansion. Then the house in Itenje can never be sold, because it is built on Yoyoyo birth land. It is built on Yoyoyo origin land. It cannot be sold. Instead, may Edochie have to return the key of the house of Itenje to him so that he will give it to his son. That is tradition. Hey, my people, Grandpapa no end for them. Grandpapa say if they do not do what he asked them to do, he said the pit when the Edochie family won't dig for May Edochie, because tradition must take place. When May Edochie enemy fall for that pit, the Aligwe should know that they pushed their daughter into the pit. Una dey see wahala. Una dey see wahala. Women wey be say they never, women wey be say God bless them, they no marry into problem family. Una no know wetin God do for una. There are some family you don't even need to date them, talk less of marry them. You know when person young, love, they carry person head. Now they cause all this kasala. If not, now they cause all this kasala. If not, my lovely fans. If to say person they sit down, the reason, May Edochie for sit down very well and calculate this family. The worst part about the Edochie family is that you will never know the other side of them, because they are Roman Catholic. They use that Holy Mary take cover face. Holy Mary, I'm sorry, I just talk my own. You know, say blasphemy is bad thing. They use Holy Mary take cover face. When you see the Holy Mary, they pray. Oh, behind them, there is a typical diabolic tradition they carried on their heads. Typical diabolic one. I did their head. Wey be say Grandpapa believe so much in those traditions. Grandpapa now, they use that tradition. Say Aja Mansion must be sold. My people, before I give you the full details, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please, for those of you watching and you've not subscribed, even if you have subscribed before, check whether you are still there. Check. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also thumbs up for this video if you are enjoying it. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, I want to say very big thank you. May God bless you all. Amen. My lovely fans, not be smart, see the threaten to the Aligwe family and also to May Edochie. The Aligwe family now call May Edochie. Tell May Edochie say, Peter Edochie sent a message to them. They tell May Edochie say, make May Edochie they move on with her life. Make she do like say she no hear wetin Peter Edochie talk. Say they will handle him. They, the Aligwe family, they will handle Pete Edochie. Say, make me Edochie no answer that old man. Make he leave that old man. Make he carry tradition come. They are waiting for him. Now who put juju for outside? Now I believe say he be pagan. Some people put juju for inside house. You no go know say they serve juju. If you think I'm lying, go ask Juju Ekwensu. You know see Juju Ekwensu when they come and they sing in the morning, early in the morning, I will rise and praise the Lord. When he carry yo, for those of you that remember in the very beginning, now so they go they pray, God, Shukwe Bube, Shukuma, Shuku Gini, Shuku Ogini. Pray all the Shuku for yo. If you see Juju Ekwensu that time, you yourself go say na prayer warrior. Yo was calling her prayer warrior. If you have a woman that can pray with you, even Yo does not know where he put his head. That is how they are. Me Edochie family tell grandpapa say that tradition when you say it not permits me Edochie to stay in our own house, grandpapa should bring it on. They are waiting. That pit where you won't dig. Make you remember saying are two options. If May Edochie do not fall in the pit, his son will fall into that pit. There's no going back. Before they dig the pit, make they remember. Say, person must go down into that pit. That pit is not going to remain opened. It must be covered. And if their daughter do not fall in the pit, their son will fall in the pit. Anybody wey throw stone, make you remember, for inside market, remember, it can hit their mother or their father. The Aligwe family told me Edochie, say make me Edochie no answer them. Since they passed the message to them, it is their duty to protect their daughter. My lovely fans, the Aligwe family don't still balance leg. According to what we heard, the Ebonyi people, they are Abakaliki people. They are not easy also when it comes to tradition. When it comes to do juju, they are not that easy also. They don't tell grandpapa say you should bring it on. Try their daughter and see the downfall of your son. Greediness. Grandpapa, when they send the message, go give. Now they tell grandpapa. As they send the message, go give grandpapa. Grandpapa say, okay. Since it is war they want, let the war start. Because his son, yo, they no fit drive Yul Edochie come for his house. Yul Edochie supposed to be there. Since me Edochie no agree, he say me they sell the house. Now grandpapa is demanding me Edochie to put Ajah mansion on sale. Say make he sell the house. Say if me Edochie not sell house, different things will start happening in the house. Because he's going to invoke the spirit of the ancestors. He's going to call on the spirit of the ancestors. Let them rise and go to that house. A house where man dey. Now the spirit of the ancestors of the man, now they did the house. Let them rise and go and ask me Edochie. Now only me Edochie go use her 2 legs to run come off for us. That is what grandpapa said. Grandpapa said if me Edochie not said the house, he said the ancestors, they will chase her. My lovely fans, he said if me Edochie not said the house, he said if me Edochie not said the house, he said only me Edochie go run come off for Ajah mansion. If I tell you say now God, now he expose these people, you not go believe. This is something they did secretly. It not work. They have to come out and say it physical. Before person go come out, can't tell you, say, I go show you. I go show you. Believe me, they don't try you. They don't try you. See you. Say you pass them. Then they will come to give you the physical warning. They'll come give you physical. Before they come physical, they've already tried you spiritual. They will weigh you. They will calculate you spiritual. They don't say and say, May Edochie is untouchable. They don't say and say there is something protecting her. They've come to threaten her physical, to put fear in her. So that fear, now they take the attack. You see how wicked Grandpapa is. You see how wicked this old man is. Say make the woman stay house when she suffer build. Make you and May Edochie share money half. Now May Edochie put you for debt. Hey. Now May Edochie send down, make he go commit adultery. Adultery get adultery. Yo commit adultery wey be say even devil go reject am for hell. Now bottomless pit, now you go just dey go. If you no end. Because devil no go gree make he stay in fire. No space for am for there. Heaven no go, fire no go. Now bottomless pit o. No be so they talk am for Revelation. Imagine committing adultery when you were married to your wife. Then the adultery gets adultery. You still go dey sleep with a married woman. Sleeping with a married woman gets married woman on top of a matrimonial bed to fear you. I said devil go reject them for a fire. See the person wey Papa dey fight for. The ancestors. I can tell you for free that Grandpapa cannot call the ancestors. If he call the ancestors on you, they will buy and they will strike him. This one where abomination full your body. Which ancestors? Yo way ancestors not even recognize again. To them he's a stranger. He's a stranger. Abomination full your body. If you really want to talk about tradition, yo cannot call the names of his ancestors. There is nothing the ancestors dislike like sleeping with a married woman. You slept with a married woman. Even if he tried to twist the story, cancel the story, change the story. But the truth is there because the husband of that woman, thank God say they not buy him. The man is alive to tell his story. You were sleeping with her when she was still married. Which ancestors your Papa won't call? Which one? He won't call. Is he calling the ancestors or he's doing juju? There is two different things. The ancestors does not go on an evil mission. Doing juju is another thing. Is it that they want to do juju? You people want to do juju against May Edochie using the ancestors to cover road? Because if they call the ancestors right now, they go buy you. They go buy them. They go chop them, squeeze them like orange. Squeeze them. So what is his father calling on May Edochie? Make May Edochie go sell a house. Make he share money. Make he give you. Say if May Edochie not do one. Now so it go happen. The Aligwe family, they say make Peter Edochie bring her home. They are waiting. They are waiting for him. One dash shall never end. These are jamashon. No gree come for their eye. These are jamashon. Thank God say May Edochie don't build her own house. I believe that these are jamashon. Last May Edochie go sell her. Yes, the woman go sell this house. But for now, she no won't sell them. But I believe in the future, maybe May Edochie will sell this house. Because the evil eyes on this house is too much. If not be say, May Edochie go carry pastors where they pray for a jamashon. I don't think she herself will be even there by this time. Una don't know wetin they dig come aside for that house. Different things where they dig come aside for inside house, for inside a jamashon where they bury for ground. They were planning against May Edochie. She never knew. Everything where they dig, they uprooted all of them. That's why they don't have power again over the house and over May Edochie. Everybody they pepper them. Before they come out to come and threaten her physical, they've already tried her spiritual. They not fit get them. Now they won't come threaten her physical so that they will put fear in her so that they can attack her. The family of May Edochie, they are well prepared. They say grandpapa should bring it on. That thing, when he thinks, say, he want to attack May Edochie, make it bring her come. Imagine us where the woman build with her own money. Your pikin na come look na e be. Now, yo, May Edochie cannot stay in the house. The tradition say, yo should stay in the house. Tradition say, yo should stay in the house. Why the tradition not give her the money make they build the house? Ole buruku. Why the tradition not put money for a pocket make he build that? Person don't suffer, build the house, suffer, do everything. You can't sell the house, share the money 50-50 with one full when she get children for grand. According to grandpapa right now, May Edochie should sell the house and share the money with yo. Now God, now they protect May Edochie. God, now they protect May Edochie. Leave your comment in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.